Merry Christmas, Albert. Merry Christmas, track fans. And I hope you're having a great day. I'm going to keep this track brief. No track highlights today because this is a special Christmas track. The most daring track, guys. Now, I'm going to have, for the first time ever, a big disclaimer. Don't try this at home. We've got a track. Here's a track preview, actually. Elevated on top of all of the racking in the warehouse. Comes back up here. That is tight. This corner is, I'll tell you in a minute, why the Ford GT GTE is not on the track. Now, I've got some help from the track favourites here. Trackside today, though, is the Ford Daytona Prototype. The reason those cars are here is because I can't run round there and pick it up. Let's drive down the long straight and into the tight corner. Round, long, over the gap, round up. And this is the dangerous bit. Yes, he makes it, track fans. Get in there. Let's try a lane change down there. Let's be a bit daring. Lane changes. Get in. So, have we got Christmas, Scalextric, have we got slot car festivities going on this today with family? Have you got the box out of the attic? Will it work? Did you see our experiment with the Formula 1 track? Great track back in the day. Anyway, track fans, last lap, let's go. And then I'm going to say a Merry Christmas to you all and have a wonderful day. Here we go, let's bring it into pole. Yes, Ford Prototype. Merry Christmas, everyone.